All right, guys. So for today, to wrap up our jigsaw that we're doing, what you're first going to want to do is go to the Padlet page, which has all of our notes on there. And I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to finish up those notes. Some groups, it looked like they had to do a couple fixes on there. But when you go to the Padlet page, you should see every group has their presentation up on there. I checked, which is good. What you're going to need to do is make a copy of these two organizers and then attach it back to the assignment. Instead of making a separate assignment, this will just be a little bit neater. So this is the organizer for groups 4, 5, and 6. This is the organizer for groups 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to give you guys about 10 minutes to finish up your presentations, somewhere around there. I think that'll be fine. Some people had documents that was kind of hard to follow along, so you want to make it as easy to follow as possible. So what you'll do is you'll kind of do a gallery. So when you go here and you open up, let's say just group 1, right? So group 1 is the Northern Colonies, right? And you're going to basically use what they put together to organize this. So if the North made money off, plantations, you're just going to kind of drag that over to here. So I gave you the main information down here. So you're going to basically use their notes to drag and drop that in there to make that easier to follow along with. And then what you'll do is for groups 1, 2, and 3. So if you go to all right, so here's group 2, you'll use that to do this organizer. So group 1, I think, is Jamestown. I don't remember which one. I'm sorry, 4, 5, and 7. I'm looking at the wrong one. It's 4, 5, and 6. So if I go to 4, so the organizers for 4, 5, and 6. So Roanoke and Jamestown. So what you'll do is when you look at those two, you'll just go over to here, put the purpose and how it made money. And also, I'm also going to add conflicts over there because some colonies had conflicts, some didn't. So if you don't see a conflict on that one slide, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. So the purpose of why they went. So why are they going there? Is it money? Is it religion? Whatever. Try to be as specific as possible, but keep it short. How do they make money, and were there any conflicts? So let's say they grew rice, fought with natives over land. Okay, that's completely wrong, but that's really how short it could be. You're just don't just say they had a problem with natives. They had native problems with natives over land, or let's say they took Native American lands to grow rice. Whatever it's going to be. Just try to give a good example of what their conflict was. Okay. And then tomorrow, if you need a little bit of time to finish up tomorrow, it says due today. I'm going to see how you guys do. I think we might be able to get this done today, but I have a feeling it's going to roll into tomorrow. If it does, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure that you make a copy of this, and then attach it back to the assignment. And then you're going to turn all that in. Okay.